Hi everyone, Rachel here, and in this video I am going to walk you through a screen flow that I created to give me custom workouts based on specific training data that I have, or specific workouts that I've completed in the last week. This contains custom object fields that I don't necessarily have access to within my Garmin application, so I made it something in Salesforce to give me something new. So let's dive into Salesforce and take a closer look, as Dave Massey says. If you've watched my previous videos, you will know the structure of this object, the custom fields, etc., and how everything is mapped together. So you can check that out if you want to know a little bit more about that. But essentially, that's how it works. I go into the training period and I have it basically analyze the training that I've done in the last little bit based on the training period for the race, and then it tells me what it recommends that I do. So today, 6 miles trail, moderate, warm up and cool down, and then it gives me a nice little custom quote. Now let's go into our flow builder to see exactly how this works. This is my subflow, and this is where the AI component lives. So when I go into the particular screen flow, it's going to capture the record ID, etc., and then call in the subflow. What the subflow does is it gets the records, the specified records for that particular flow, and then I've matched it up from ID to record ID. This is where the fun part comes in. So there are prompts built into this tool. This is part of the AI Force training program. You get access to this managed package. So if you are a member of AI Force, then you may be familiar with this. Essentially, what this managed package does is it gives me the ability to provide context to the AI, which is called within the subflow. This is what I have it call in, some of the details specifically, and then I also give it this article, which is best practices essentially for ultra running. It tells you about recovery and, fueling and timing and whatnot. This is the request prompt, and so this is what I have it do, right? Based on the workout history details, fill out the template, which serves as a recommendation, etc. This is the training period name, target, next race, etc. And this is the template. And then finally, provide me with an inspirational quote. And in the system prompt, this is what I have it do. Act as Hal Higdon. He is a, marathon trainer, etc. So that's the role that I give it. I will go ahead and just check that this is working. I haven't done anything different, so I'm not really going to worry about that. I don't want to save. What's going on, man? I will go ahead and check that this is working with the debug. So I've got to get a record ID. I will use this training period as my record ID, and I'll just put it in here. Move me over here. And then we're going to test this, and I can check down here. It shows the various phases, and we've got an output, and it is telling me speed, Pikes Peak ascent. Awesome. So we know that the subflow is working because it's calling in the information. I just go into my screen flow. I've got a display text here. What workout should you do? Based on that, it calls in the subflow, and then from there, it just displays the recommendation, and this is the final response. This final response is linked up here in my subflow when I show advanced options. Output, error reason, finish reason, reply ID. Those are just things that kind of call in from the AI. And then in the main flow, the main record ID here, and the output is the final response, which is a variable that I have created. So it's pretty fun. I had a lot of fun working with this. There were definitely some challenges with finagling the prompt and making sure that I had all of the correct variables linked up in their specific places versus having the prompt do the wrong thing. But overall, it was a really great learning experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.